guys, welcome to Kale's Kitchen. Today we are going to make strawberry banana smoothie. First take one blender jar, add 2 cups of frozen strawberries, 1 whole frozen banana, here I have taken the almond milk, but you can use any milk. I have added 1 cup of almond milk. The next thing I am using is strawberry crush, but if you don't have strawberry crush you can skip it or add sugar instead. I have added approximately 1/4 cup of strawberry crush. Blend the mixture till it gets smooth consistency. Once the smoothie is ready, pour into a glass and serve. Thank you.